What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are at the Arlington Convention Center, and we are not just at a car show, but we're also at a shoe convention. So this is like a car show and a shoe show at the same exact time. So let's go in there and check out some cool kicks and some cool cars. All right, guys, we're just walking in. It's really loud in here, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but there's a whole bunch of cool shoes right here, and then there's a whole bunch of cool cars over here. We got a purple GT3 RS right here. This thing is sick. White Audi R8. We have the SLS Black Series. This thing is insane with the gold wing doors. Man, this thing is crazy. And then this car was on the Gold Rush Rally, an orange Huracan. This thing is awesome. But we have a whole bunch of kicks over here. They're all wrapped in plastic. We got Jordans, Nikes. I mean, shoot, everything you can imagine. Yeezys. I mean, everything they have here. Everything. Hey, these guys brought out a whole bunch of shoes. They got Michael's orange McLaren right here. This thing is sick. They got the matching shoes to go along with it. Hey, nothing better.
Is this 16?
All right, guys, so if you don't remember, Life of Mike, my buddy, my neighbor, this is his new orange 720S. This thing is sick. Very, very low miles in the McLaren Racing Orange. This thing is awesome. And then you got a Rolls-Royce Wraith right here, 2017. It's the same car we took to Salt Bay. So this thing is awesome. Yeah, it was good. The burger was like 75 bucks or something like that. I don't know, it was something crazy. But it was really good. They got all the clean shoes in there. You said these ones are the most expensive, right?
Yeah.
How much are those?
$5,000.
He said these shoes are $5,000 and he's just walking around with them.
Right.
And then Michael turned into like a cameraman over here. These guys got all their kicks, man. They are clean. They are clean. And then those Travis Scotts, right? Travis Scott, yes sir.
What's all about in here?
These two.
Oh, these two.
The navy blue and then the orange.
Nasty. That color. What's going on, brother?
I like the fit.
Man, I appreciate it.
This
Oh,
is
that's
drip,
towards
huh?
me, man.
It's drip. Let's walk around. We don't know much about shoes, but we're learning.
Oh, yeah. Man, if you
learning.
gonna be in cars, you gotta be in shoes.
I mean, we're in shoes. We just ain't.
Yeah. See?
See, there's a picture right there. Hold on.
Hey,
Put money right there.
hey.
Little soft.
The whole
Oh, for real?
fit is a matching car.
Damn. You
You
supposed to add it on.
got the Yankees and the everything.
I see.
The Derek Jeter shoes.
Yeah. Definitely, man. Hey, y'all ain't subscribed to me, guys. Y'all better subscribe.
That's my cameraman, man.
I know. I was talking to him.
Why are we not collabing?
Yeah,
Wait.
No, he had a Challenger and it burnt, right? It burnt up. He had a Challenger and it like blew up.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, what's the deal? I'm trying to collab.
Well, I'm in the Hellcat now.
Yeah, he has a nice.
Color for Hellcat.
Is it a Charger or Challenger?
Hey, I don't
It's all white?
discriminate.
The white-
I don't
the white one?
discriminate. We love it all.
All right, guys, so I know you've seen these cars before. We got my boy Mike and his Huracan, the off-white one. I posted that video. We went shoe shopping. It's sick. Then Majestic Huracan, he actually wrapped his car to match those shoes right there. I mean, it's insane. Jordan 1s, white Nike logo on the side of the car. Really cool, really unique. I really like it a lot. What's up, bro? You got some shoes for me?
Absolutely, bro.
What you got for me?
Just because you are you can grab any of these for the price that's listed.
Any of these for the price that's listed.
Absolutely.
Okay.
No, but what I do have for you, seriously, is a hat, bro.
You gonna give me a hat?
I don't know if pink is your color, but if you can pull it off, or let's see.
What color do you want me to take?
Let's see. All right, your options are pink or blue. So I don't have to mail it to your house. I told you earlier, I don't have to pop up in my Rolls Royce, or borrow one of yours, but I'll just give you the deal right now.
I'll take the blue one.
All right, let's do it.
I'll take my hat off.
Absolutely.
And your
you have your own.
What's your brand?
Uncommon Wealth, bro. Just the idea that wealth isn't common, like that
I like
shit is
that.
a rarity, bro.
Uncommon Wealth. Uncommon Wealth is brand. Do you have an Instagram or anything?
Yeah, Uncommon Wealth CC. Uncommon Wealth CC like clothing company.
Uncommon Wealth CC clothing company. Go follow them down below. Tell me a little bit about these Yeezys. I've seen these all over the place. Tell me a little bit about these.
Yeezys 380s, alien blues.
They're alien blue?
Alien blue.
And so the color is alien blue. That's a cool color. These just come out?
They came out like 2 months ago.
2 months ago. That's a fresh release still. That's still a fresh release. I don't know anything about shoes, but being here all day, I've learned a lot. Yeah, these are sick. I might have to pick up some of those someday. 260?
260.
You ain't got a size 13 though.
No, I have a size 13.
Oh, these are the hooping shoes?
There you go. I got these in the 13.
Those are the
They
13?
just came out yesterday.
Sheesh. I don't know if I can pull that off, man.
You can pull it off with your feet right now.
Oh shit.
It matches the ride.
It matches the ride with the ride. All right, guys, we're in the rolls. You can hear me because I have a mic on. This thing is awesome, but we got the stars in the headlight. We're sitting out here observing all the people walking around. Pretty cool show, learning about shoes, meeting some awesome people, sharing our Instagrams and YouTubes to everybody. And yeah, this is pretty awesome. I definitely think that we're gonna come back to another one like this, but this is cool. I've never done something like this, being 20 yards away and inside of a car and you can still hear me. So I think I'm gonna do more cool stuff like this. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe down below. This place is awesome. Got some cool shoes, met some cool people, and yeah, we had a blast. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.